back to another video. You are watching your favorite channel where you get to see latest information of your gadgets. And today we are going to talk about HP 225 out here, like HP's 225, a very interesting gadget out there. Along with that, if you talk about this gadget, then yes, HP is another gadget for the corporate world, we can say. HP usually designs for the corporate world only, so we can say that this was also a corporate world design gadget. But when we talk about this gadget, then we can say that it's a midi size, that is the medium size gadget, along with HD display and a budget friendly gadget out there. It's a budget friendly gadget, definitely. Now, talking about this gadget, then we can say that it has got AMD Vision and a very good cooperative work out there. Like AMD Vision platforms are used out here. Talking about the CPU, then we can say that AMD E1 1500 is being used out in this version, which provides you a good clock speed of 1.48 gigahertz. So 1.48 gigahertz clock speed, a good dual core system, a chip system of AMD only. Everything related to AMD platform is being used, and which provides you a good operational works out there. Talking about the operational works, we can say that it offers you a good Windows operating system. Yes, if we talk about the Windows operating system, it has got a good Windows operating system too. Apart from that, when we talk about this variant, then it has got a good cache memory of 1 MB in the form of L2 cache. Yes, L2 cache is the cache memory offered out here. Along with that, you also get to see that the RAM or the memory speed out here, the memory out here, is offered out is nothing else 4 GB installed RAM. Memory or the RAM, that is the random accessory memory, is 4 GB installed with a type of DDR3 RAM type. Along with that, it offers you 1333 megahertz speed. So 1333 megahertz speed is definitely a good variation. Along with that, you get to have a maximum support size of 8 GB. What does this maximum support size means? That the dedicated slots out here has been divided out. So it has two dedicated slots. One is for the inbuilt storage, that is the 4 GB out here. Whereas the another slot is for another 4 GB. That's why 8 GB slotation or the maximum support size given out here. And this has to be in the form of DDR3 with a rotation speed of 1333 megahertz. These all things work well, but what happens is the hard drive storage matters a lot. If you have got a good hard drive storage, then it works very well. Talking about the hard drive, then we can say that it offers you HDD type hard drive. Yes, HDD type hard drive is seen. Along with that, you get to see that this offers you a spindle speed of 5400 rpm. Yes, 5400 rpm is the spindle speed. Along with that, 5000 or 500, we can say 500 GB is the storage out there. Yes, if you talk about GBs, then 500 GB is the storage type out there. So overall, it has got a good storage type. You get to see a good storage out there. Along with that, you can say that this variant out here offers you great range of specifications in the humid conditions, shock tolerance. That are the environmental factors. They work very well in the environmental factors also. So we can say that HP designs its gadget according to the environment also, so that it can provide the optimum work and the best outcome in the harsh conditions. Talking about this gadget, then we can say that it offers a good range of, we can say, screen size. Yes, if we talk about the screen size, then it has got 39.6 centimeter screen size, which is really good. 39.6 centimeter is screen size out here, offering a great specification. Along with that, you get to see that it offers LED backlight. LED display here, but along with that, LED backlight is also seen out here. You also get to see that it offers you HD resolution with anti-glance technology. So overall, it is really nice. LED backlight HD anti-glance technology display is seen out for 39.6 centimeter screen size. When we talk about the screening, everything, then it comes to the graphics also, because the outcome we get to see is all related to the graphical part. And talking about the graphical part, then we can see that ARM Radeon HD is the graphical processor out here. used out, which provides a great integration with the webcam as well as great working with another functionalities out there. The integrated webcam offers you 1280 into 720 camera quality or the caption resolution with stereo type speakers and microphone. It also has the laser speaker out there, which provides a good range of audio out there. Along with that, it has got a good Wi-Fi connectivity, Bluetooth connectivity, and the gesture controls are by the touchpad out there, along with the key functionality on the keyboard. Bluetooth class 2 can be seen out there, along with USB connectors, USB drives, audio input output jack, SD card reader, power jack out here. Along with that, along with these things, you get to have an optical drive technology also. So it offers you a fixed tray for the optical drive, that is the DVD or the CD read and write type. Apart from that, if we talk about this variant, then we can say that it offers you a good battery life of approximately 9 hours. 9 hours battery life, why we say so? Because it offers you 6 cell lithium ion battery, offering you 47 volts. 47 volts in 6 cell lithium ion battery is definitely good. Now talking about this gadget, let us talk about this gadget's pricing. So that we have come up here the site named as justatclick.com. Yes, justatclick.com is the website offering you great range of specifications, great range of products, as well as this site offers you products in your pocket friendly rates. You get to have pocket friendly rates in your favorite gadgets, in your pocketable rates. But this site offers you one interesting factor, that is the customizability option. You can customize the gadgets which are allowed to customize. Yes, you can customize the gadgets which can be customized easily. So now let us search this gadget out here in this search icon, so that you get to know about your gadgets result. So this is the result out here, and talking about the results, then we can see that a small description at the top and a small description at the bottom could be seen out. Along with that, you get to see that this gadget offers you a condition that is called refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition and know what are refurbished products all about. Talking about these refurbished products, or what is actually refurbished product all about, then, and what does refurbishing brand new products look like? So we are going to talk about that now. Talking about the word refurbished, when we say refurbished, then we can say that refurbished means creating something new, like, or creating something from the old things. Yes, like they are absolutely same as brand new. Their design is same, their structurality is same, even the functionalities, everything is same out there. So you get to see that they offer you same kind of we can say functionality differences out there. No difference out there actually. There is no much difference in refurbished and brand new. Now, when we talk about these two products, then what are the major differences involved in this? Because if they are structurally same, they are same in functionalities, they have same design, they have same testers, everything is same. Then why is a name given as refurbished, or why the word refurbished is introduced for that? Then we can say that the word refurbished is introduced because it provides, or it has a thing or a main difference out there, that is the pre-ownization. What is pre-ownization? It is pre-owning anything. Initially, what happens in brand new products, they are pre-owned by the company itself before releasing into the market. So definitely company owns it. That is not pre-owned, that is owned it. Whereas once a gadget is released in the market, then it is being used by a new user, then it is called as pre-owned gadget. So let us talk about this marketplace also and how this pre-ownization works. Then we can say that there is a pathway followed out, which is the base, mediator, and the consumer out there. This is just like normal pathway, start to end. Talking about brand new, then we can say that company owns every gadget. Company owns it. So it is does this thing that it owns it, then brings out in the marketplace, and you get to have that gadget. It provides you that kind of functionality. And when we talk about this kind of a gadget, then we can say that it offers you a great range of production. Now, how does it happen? It happens in the way like you have that gadget in the marketplace, and you get to have that gadget's functionalities out there. You get to see that the gadget is in the marketplace with different pricing. Everything is there. Then gadget is owned by any user, like us. We are the users. After that, what happens is this is the ending of brand new. Yes, brand new ends there. What happens is that now the gadget is owned by a user that wants to resell it. So this is an extension of brand new. We can say there is an extension of brand new. Now it wants to be resold. So what happens when it is being resold? It is brought up in the marketplace. Yes, it is brought up where it has to be resold, and then it is sold to another user, a new user out there. Talking about this, then we can say that brand new products and the refurbished products, they are extension to each other. How? How they are extension? Like we can say that when a user sells off their gadget, their pre-owned gadget in the marketplace, that is the brand new product till then. But once it is resold to that marketplace, it becomes a different product. The brand new ends over there itself when it is owned. So now there is a testing also done, because every gadget needs to be done in the testing format. It need to have a testing out there. So what happens is the testing has to be done for the brand new. If we talk about, if we talk about brand new products, then we can say that the testing has to be done in not other format, but in a simple format where the company tests this out, where sites test that gadget out. So you get to see different sites out there. But for refurbished or for pre-owned gadgets, testing has to be done in within the website which resells it. Yes, the site which we sold our gadget to, or which is going to resell that gadget, that has to test that gadget again. So this ends over the pathway out there. Uh, Talking about this pathways and testing out there, so let us talk about the testing parameters also, because structurally, if they are same, functionality is same, so testers out there has to be same, which determines their structurality, functionalities, everything. Talking about these structures, talking about structuralities and everything, then we can say that there are actually two major parameters which are divided or classified, that are external and internal parameters. Now, when we talk about external parameters, then we say the external parameters are the parameters which can be seen through eyes, which does not require any kind of software or any kind of gadgets out there, equipments, robots, that is not required out there for their testing. Like we can test out the scratches, buttons, placement of buttons, power, uh, jack systems out there, display, screen size, proper working on off buttons out there, timing out there. So these things which can be checked out through our eyes, which does not require any gadget out there. So this is what happens in the external parameters. Once it crosses the external parameter, it comes to the internal parameters, which are quite complicated, because these are the internal elements, and these elements require nothing else but a specially designed software for it, or equipments are there. There are few small gadgets devices or for any other things out there required for this. Once these gadgets are defined, like what kind of parameters it includes, so we can say that includes the internal processor out there, chip system, CPU, cache memory, RAM, hard drive, what kind of hard drive it uses, the spindle speeds out here, the rated memory speed, the clock speed out there, even the connectivities, or we can say that every small big elements like graphic processor out there, graphical integrated webcam out there. So everything which is included out there is seen in this internal parameters. Once it crosses the internal parameters and external, it is certified as refurbished. But what would happen if it fails in any of the parameter, any one of the parameters? Then it has to be rectified. If it is, it can be renewed, it can be replaced. Then it has to be replaced with the original product itself. So once it is replaced with the original product, it is refurbished, it is renewed out there. It provides you a good quality product actually after it is refurbished. It provides a good quality product, great servicing out there, a good to use product. But still, there are few benefits of having a refurbished product, because if you are talking about refurbished, then what are the major advantages of having a refurbished product? Number one would be the pocket friendly rates. Yes, you get to have pocket friendly rates for your gadgets. Talking about refurbished products, then we can say that refurbished products provides you a pocket friendly rate. They provide you a cost effective, pocket friendly, and a good to have gadgets in a pocketable rates. As we know that brand new products are actually expensive. Once they are released in the market, they are quite expensive out there. Now, since there is a difference in the pricing out there, there's a difference in pricing, and there is not a major difference, but yes, there is a difference out there. So you get to have a savings also. You can have a great savings, because since there is a difference in pricing, there is difference in the conditions out there. So you get to see that there is a difference in the savings also for you. But I all know that brand new products comes with a warranty period. But do pre-owned gadgets offer you warranty period is a big question out there. So talking about the warranty period, then we can say that it comes with 6 months warranty and 7-day exchange policy. Yes, this offers you 6 months warranty and 7-day exchange policy out there. Along with that, you also get to see that they are offering you great advantages out there, along with profitable rates, savings. So talking about this kind of product, let us talk about the website once again. And talking about the website, we are back at justatclick.com. Yes, the website name justatclick.com. A very interesting website out here. The name itself suggests just at a click. So you are just a click away from your favorite gadgets out there. As we already know that this website offers you customization option. We already know that gadgets could be customized, especially the laptops out there could be customized according to the needs. So it offers you customization option, as well as this site offers you COD out here all over UAE. Apart from that, you get to have an hassle-free shopping, since it's an online website where you can shop out there. So it's a hassle-free shopping nowadays. Along with that, free home delivery and money back guarantee along with online support system is provided out here. You get to have a delivery time of approximately 48 hours in most parts of UAE, whereas 1 week time might take up to Saudi. But depending upon your customization, it might vary accordingly. For best pricing, check out the website out there, as well as you can visit out the description box for the link, or you can type on Google just at click.com. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.